Hi, I'm Sonia and this is Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit.
We've just finished renovating our coastal cottage kitchen and would like to invite you in for a tour. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe for nature-inspired DIY craft and home decor ideas.
About a year and a half ago, we started to make over our family cottage, and about 2 months ago, we started to tackle the kitchen. So the kitchen was about close to 20 years and it was due for an update. So we decided to stick with the kind of coastal and beachy, kind of airy vibe that is going on with the rest of the cottage.
We have videos in the description for the bedroom makeovers and the bathroom makeover that you can check out as well.
So here's our brand new coastal kitchen where we've stuck with some light white and gray colors and mixed in a bunch of earthy tones and textures. We started by giving the walls a fresh coat of paint using the color Effervescent by Para Paints. Next we tackled the cabinets, which we kept the original uppers and lowers, but we painted them using Decor Americana satin enamel paint in pure white for the upper and smoke gray for the lowers.
So we're very happy to partner with a number of sponsors on this project, including Build.com, who provided this globe pendant from Capital Lighting line, but adds some roundness and substance to the room in this otherwise very square space. Ta-da! Also from Build.com, we received this gorgeous apron front sink, and it's a double basin sink that's perfect for this cottage because we don't have a dishwasher, so it provides a lot of room for washing all the dishes. This Cassidy faucet from Delta Faucet Canada with a Venetian bronze finish and touch to O technology as the perfect farmhouse touch to our otherwise coastal style kitchen.
Love that. While we maintain the same hardwood floor, stove and fridge as the original kitchen, we did invest in a new countertop, a new quartz countertop, and then we also picked up over the stove microwave to free up some counter space. We changed out the knobs as well for these beautiful bubbly glass knobs. So our original kitchen had ceramic tile backsplash, and it wasn't a very beachy color or finish, and the decals were, I think, of fruit. But what we decided to do as a cost-effective solution was to paint over them, and we'll have the tutorial on how to do that on our blog.
Finally, we accessorized with some glass and wood accessories and added some artwork on top of the cabinets using stencils we received from Stencil Revolution. And again, we'll have the tutorial for how to do those coming up shortly on the blog.
So thank you very much for coming along on this tour with us. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video.
For all the sources and additional details for this coastal cottage renovation, stop by and visit us at sustainmycrafthabit.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.